In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bonk coin on your Trust Wallet app. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to log into your Trust Wallet app, and once you are on the home screen, you navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen where you can find browser. You click on browser. Now, what you want to do in the search bar is to add orca.so, which is a web browser, and it will take you to this page where you can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to connect your wallet. And once you click on connect wallet, you would find different types of wallets over here. So you can find Phantom, SafePal, and so on. But what we are interested in is Trust. So you click on Trust and you click on Connect. So immediately you do that, you'll be able to click on Connect over here. So once you have connected that, what you need to do next is below the buy button, you would find different types of cryptos. You could just go there and just input Bonk. You would find Bonk. Then what you need to do next would be to write the amount of Bonk that you want to buy. For example, 10. Then once I am satisfied with that, I could just click on buy, and that's all. I have bought Bonk coin using my Trust wallet. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.